Hello friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. My name is Nahma and today we are going to continue from the same chapter, entrepreneurship. In that we are going to discuss about the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who always searches for change and respond to it and exploit every change as an opportunity, and innovation is a specific tool of an entrepreneur. So that is an all about entrepreneur, and I want you to memorize this mnemonics Cosrios Otsi so that not to forget any of the qualities of an entrepreneur. Let's get started. The first qualities of an entrepreneur is to have common sense. Common sense is to make, it is an ability to make sound judgment on our day-to-day situation. So an entrepreneur is the person who makes sound judgment in his or her everyday situations. So common sense studies about that most of the successful businessmen consider common sense as the foundation of their success. So the first quality is to have common sense. Second quality is to have specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge means factual, theoretical, practical knowledge as well as competency and skill in a particular field. So it is easier to start and carry on the business successfully if an entrepreneur has deep knowledge. If he don't or he or she don't possess a deep knowledge, what happens? More majority 45% of the startup fail to survive. Why? Because they don't have the deep knowledge related to the industry and business. So that is which makes them to exit from the business field. So every entrepreneur best quality to have a specialized knowledge. Third is self-reliant. Self-reliant means to take full responsibility for their action. They know what they are today and what they are going to be tomorrow and depend solely on themselves. So whenever the reliant is coming, give the example of Reliance. Like Dhirubhai Ambani, he is a proactive entrepreneur who had set goal, walked an extra mile to achieve and relied primarily on his own resources and abilities. Risk taker. So a person, entrepreneur, avoid low risk because it has very lack of challenges, and avoid high risk which means that they want to succeed. So an entrepreneur is a person who always want to take a realistic risk. So we have some instance like Mukesh Ambani, managing director of Reliance Industries, prefer to take realistic risk because he want to be successful. Innovator. So like Wright brothers, who were the ultimate innovators, they were the first to fly. The United States has a reputation as a country of innovators because for generation many of the world's most exciting new idea came from its people and companies like Alexander Graham Bell, Henry Ford, Mark Zuckerberg. These are just three of the innovators who pioneered whole new technologies and industries. No one earlier had thought in that way how they did it. And even in India, Tata, Birla, they have research institutes and are the example of innovative activities undertaken by the successful entrepreneur in our country. So innovative activities means in order to produce goods that give total satisfaction to the customer. So the successful quality of a successful entrepreneur is to be the innovator. An entrepreneur should have to be optimistic. Successful entrepreneur attempt any task with the hope that they will succeed rather than with the fear of failure. So that is why they should always feel that I can do it instead of I can't do it. So an entrepreneur should be optimistic. Self-confidence. So in an expanded business, delegation of authority is must. Only self-confident entrepreneur can delegate his or her authority, seek cooperation from the staff, inculcate a sense of teamwork and drive them toward accomplishment of business goal. So a person, an entrepreneur should be self-confident. Organizer, an entrepreneur has to bring together the various factors of production and minimize failure cost, appraisal cost, prevention cost, cut down the losses, many things, so that he has to be a very good organizer. So achievement motivation. Achievement motivation is a drive to overcome challenges, to advance and to grow. So Azim Premji, like CEO of Wipro Corporation, who is a successful entrepreneur, are achievement oriented but not money hungry. They always work for the accomplishment of excellent, innovative and risk involving task. Next it is technical competence. An entrepreneur who has high level of administrative ability, mental ability, communication ability, human resource ability and technical ability or technical knowledge can be more successful than a person who lacks in these abilities. So that is why, example, JRD Tata, who adopted latest technology and designs and new methods to produce and sell the goods and services and gave equal importance to both internal and external customer satisfaction. So that technical competence quality is a must. After that, socially responsible. Socially responsible is the obligation of every entrepreneur to take action, not only to accomplish their own interests but also for the betterment or the welfare of the society. So that is why then an entrepreneur should be socially responsible. Last but not least is independence. Most of the entrepreneurs start on their own because they dislike to work for others. An entrepreneur is a job giver, not a job seeker, and they prefer to be their own master and want to be responsible for their own decision and try to accomplish tasks in their own way successfully. So successful entrepreneurs have their own style of dealing with various problems, setbacks and uncertainties. They always tend to change the obstruction and existing state of affairs and get the work done without bothering about obstructions and barrier. So that is all about the qualities of an entrepreneur. So this mnemonics is going to help you to memorize. So CO, common sense. S, specialized knowledge. Another S is self-reliant. R, risk taker. I, innovator. O, optimistic. S, self-confidence. O, organizer. A, achievement motivation, technical competence. S, socially responsible, and I is independence. So that is all about Cosrios OTC, the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Thank you very much. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर कीजिए.